Okay, so stochastics. I'm just gonna quickly talk about why we use stochastics and why specifically the 1433. It's just because it's a Fibonacci numbers. Yeah, and we all know that the guy Fibonacci was a very smart guy. So, basically, yeah, that's why we use them. The parameters not shown in this specific one, but I'm gonna just show you quickly in my other platform. The parameters that we use usually is the 20 and 80 parameters, but I also like to put in the 10 and the 90 one. Just because when you see that it's when we in a over board situation like we can see here with the S&P 500, you can see that the stochastic is outside the 90, and then we know that it's extremely overbought, and probably there's going to be some downside coming soon, and we can have a lookout for some signs, like I explained in my previous video, the trend lines. We can use the support lines that maybe have to be broken first, the dojis that it's actually making the consolidation. So the stochastic actually just can give us a sense of, we are in an overbought situation. The market's really, the bulls are really getting tired now. Maybe we can see some downside or a nice reversal or from here. How far we can go, that depends on the market and whether there's enough bears in the market as well. So yeah, but the stochastic's very nice, and we can see we can follow it straight throughout the market, and you can see that once it's in an oversold situation here, you can just have a look here, and it's usually right. So it's a very nice indicator to use. For me, I love it. Yeah, so again, we can see that when you are in an oversold situation, as we can see here, we can use also the trend lines. We can draw a small one there. We can see that it tested the 200 moving average. The buyers are coming in again. You can use price action, but for example, and you can use it, and you can maybe put in an order here or wait for it to actually close above the 18 moving average, and you can put an order there for long, and you should have made a nice profit from this. And once again, the stochastic never disappoints. The previous video I showed you this trend line that I drew here. I also talked about the stochastic being overbought here, oversold here. Again, it came below the 20 parameter. It was below this, and we can see that once it was below this, we can go long here. We can see that we can put in an order there, wait for it to close above the 200 moving average, put in an order there, and again, you would have seen a very nice profit, and so on. You can go throughout the market. You can see it very nicely here. Again, very oversold here. The markets are consolidating on this level. It's actually getting support here in the market, and again, you can see that once it broke that resistance line there, a small resistance that we can see there, once it broke it, you can put an order in for long. Then would have been a very nice trade. On the maize markets, which I also trade on an intraday basis, I love the 5-minute charts on this for using it for intraday trading. This morning, or throughout the day, it's 11:24 now on Friday. So, but this morning the stochastic actually worked very nicely on the 5 minutes. Following the also just using the price action to confirm your ideas and what you think about the market, your thoughts about the market. But as we can see, it opened this morning with really the buyers coming in and just hitting it up and just trading the offer side here. The buyers bought here from this levels up, and we can see that it tested 2,770 basically there. But once it reached that on the price action, I saw that there was very much sellers coming in there, and again it sold off here. And we can see that the stochastic was very overbought, which I loved. And actually, I went short on 50, and I think I've held about to 45. 2,750. I went short and I held to 2,745. But again, you can actually hold on to the position, and you would have made a very nice profit as well because of the stochastic being high. And once we saw that the stochastic became oversold again. Sorry for just my seem to not getting my words here. Once we saw that the stochastic was oversold here, again you can see you can use the markets and the price action to confirm it. You can use wait for certain levels to trigger and for to actually confirm that the bars are coming in, and you could have gone long here on, let's say, 47, and you would have also made a very nice profit here. You would have made about $15 there, and then the gearing and everything comes in for trading the maize. But on the maize market specifically, and for the 5-minute charts, that's what I use. The stochastic works very nicely. So it's a very good indicator to use, even on any other instrument that you like to trade, whether it's equities or whether it's just indices. Long-term investing, you can use it we use it actually on daily to trade funds as well. So yeah, we can see that for example, the S&P 500 is very overbought. We're actually expecting a nice reversal maybe later on, or once the stochastic actually dips below the 80 parameter. But yeah, that's just things that I use, and why I use them, and I want to explain to you guys. So I hope you find this helpful. Again, just please note that all things said in this video and all my other videos, just my opinion. It's not to say that this is actually going to happen or help you or make you a better trader, but this is what I use, and it's very nice indicators to use and actually implement into your trading.